Pioneer Ductless Mini Split systems provide efficient heating and cooling without traditional ductwork. Today, we'll explore the key components and requirements for installing a 12,000 BTU 230-volt system. A complete mini split system consists of two main units connected by refrigerant lines and electrical wiring. The indoor unit mounts on the wall, while the outdoor unit sits on a level pad outside. The system includes 5 essential components: the indoor evaporator unit that delivers conditioned air, the outdoor condenser unit with the compressor, refrigerant lines that carry coolant between units, electrical connections for power and control, and a condensate drain line to remove moisture. Proper electrical installation is critical for safety and performance. You need a dedicated 20-amp circuit with 230-volt single-phase power, GFCI protection, proper grounding, and a disconnect box visible from the outdoor unit. The indoor unit must be positioned carefully for optimal performance. Mount it at least 7 feet from the floor and 6 inches from the ceiling, away from direct sunlight, and in a location that allows easy access for maintenance. The outdoor unit requires proper clearances for efficient operation and maintenance access. Maintain at least 12 inches of clearance on all sides and install the unit on a level pad to prevent vibration and ensure proper drainage. Modern refrigerant line sets simplify installation with pre-charged systems and quick connect fittings. These insulated copper lines are available in various lengths from 15 to 50 feet to accommodate different installation distances. You can choose between DIY installation for cost savings or professional installation for warranty compliance and proper refrigerant handling. Professional installation is recommended to ensure code compliance and optimal system performance. Understanding these key components and requirements is essential before beginning installation. Proper planning ensures a successful mini-split installation that provides years of efficient heating and cooling. The first critical step is mounting both indoor and outdoor units according to specified clearances and electrical requirements. Next, connect the refrigerant line set with proper insulation and pitch for oil return. Line length must be between 10 and 75 feet maximum. Perform vacuum testing to 500 microns or lower to prevent refrigerant leaks. This critical step ensures system integrity and proper operation. Electrical connections must adhere to local codes, typically requiring 230-volt single-phase power supply with proper grounding and disconnect switches. As of 2024, EPA 608 regulations require certified technicians for all refrigerant handling work to ensure environmental compliance and safety. While DIY installation can save $800 to $1,200, professional installation reduces failure rates from 15 to 20% to just 3 to 5% through proper evacuation and electrical work. The latest 2024-2025 Pioneer models feature enhanced smart integration with Wi-Fi connectivity and smartphone apps for remote monitoring and control.